Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster MG. Today we got our MGHS Demonstrator 1.5 exclusive, which is a plug-in hybrid as well, up for sale for you. It's beautiful color, Holborn blue. It was driven by our manager and it's up for sale now. In this video I'll be walking around the car, showing you the features and also the mileage done by it. To start off with, we got this lovely projector headlamps which are LED. You got dynamic daytime running lights along with the indicators as well. Front fog lights, you got 360 camera on this car, so the front camera is just under the MG badge, just down there. As you can see, you got a sunroof on top as well with panoramic roof for the rear. Coming around the car, you got 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, which is really nice. As you can see, this car has been very well looked after. You got rear privacy glass as well, silver trim all around the car. You got keyless entry, second camera just under there under the wing mirror, which is nice. Second alloy there. As you can see, this car has been well looked after. Coming to the rear of the car, we got LED tail lamps, we got rear parking sensors, dual exhaust system along with a reverse camera just in there. I'll just show you the boot space on this car. You got power tailgate on this car. As you can see, really lovely big boot space. I've put some boxes in there for you so you can get some idea how big this boot space is. Under there you just get your tire repair kit and also your charging cable. There we go. So yeah, coming to the right hand side of the car, third alloy there. As you can see, silver door handles as well. You got full leather interior on this car along with ambient lighting for all four doors. You got all four automatic windows. You got isofix settings on both the sides. You got a center which has cup holders on it. Here we go. And some storage space. Along with the third climate control with a couple of USBs just down there. Got some space under here as well, which is nice. Coming to the front of the car, got keyless entry. Down here we got all four automatic windows along with your wing mirror function, which do fall down all the way. And also your locking system just down there. And your blind spot detection monitor just up there. So yeah, you do have your headlight adjustment, start stop button. You got electric seats for driver and passenger, nice beautiful bucket seats as well, which are heated, which is really nice. As you can see, nice panoramic roof along with the sunroof. Let's get to the inside. So the car's done 6,613 miles, which is nothing. As you can see, it's plug-in hybrid, so it's on electric at the moment. So you got auto headlights, adaptive cruise control just down there. Just a minute for you. Yeah, adaptive cruise control, and also you do have automatic wipers for this car. Multifunction steering wheel. On the left you got your Bluetooth hands-free function. On the right you can customize this display, which is in front of you, which is nice. Tells you, very informative, tells you everything you need. Coming to the secondary screen, which is informative screen, TFT touchscreen. You have navigation as standard on this car. To have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, just have to plug in just down there along with your dual wall socket there. You do have dual zone climate control along with heated seats for driver and passenger, which is nice. You also got these physical buttons if you're someone who doesn't like touching the screen every time you drive. It comes in handy. Got FM, AM, DAB, and also, like I said, you got Apple CarPlay there and Android Auto just down there. I'll show you the 360 camera on this car. So as you can see, really nice. It's the front view at the moment. That's my rear view with everything I can see. You can do a 2D mode as well, so you can see all around the car along with these cameras around here. So yeah, really nice, comes in handy. The car's here with us. Come down, have a look. If you want to go test drive, feel free. Your gearbox there. You can open the boot manually from here. 360 view, your hazards, EV mode, and also your parking, brake, auto hold, and hill descent mode. Couple of cup holders just down there along with more storage space. So yeah, why don't come down and have a look, have a test drive, see if you can really like this car. So yeah, thanks for watching, have a nice day.